got a nice little tip for you painters out there that have a scroll saw. This is called a scroll saw paint shaker. Now my paint settles and nothing to stir it with, and I've learned to use my scroll saw for a paint shaker. It works pretty darn good. There you go, my friends. There's more than one way to skin a cat. I mean, stick a paint can. Yes, sir. I painted my locomotive here, and it looks more pink than it does red. So I found another paint up there that says lipstick red. I'm going to try some of that. If I don't like it, I'll sand it down and... Let's see, I need a paper cup. I don't like a pink locomotive. Let's give him some red. Might have to go buy some red. Oh yeah, that looks better.